What if you could see your final hairline before your hair transplant? And not just imagine it, but actually decide exactly how you want it to look. What if you could even see the kind of results you may achieve after 9 to 12 months before the procedure even begins? Not as a sketch, not as someone else's before-after photo, but on your own head live. Hi, I'm Dr Anupriya Goel, Medical Director at Berkowits Hair Skin Clinic. And today I'm very proud to introduce something new at all our centers across India, 3D Hair Transplant Consultation, or as we like to call it, the blueprint of your hair restoration journey. In most hair transplant consultations, the discussion is based on verbal explanations, drawing on paper or before-after photos of other patients. But the truth is, every face is different, every donor area is different, and every hairline should be completely customized. So the real question becomes, how will my transplant look? That's exactly what this consultation helps answer. Now, before you even decide on a transplant, you can see your own head in 3D and plan everything with your doctor. What you can do in the 3D consultation is that during the consultation, you can see a 3D model of your current head and your potential post-transplant look. This gives you much more control over how your transplant is planned. You and your doctor can experiment with different hairline designs, discuss how many grafts may be required, understand how your donor area affects density and coverage, and plan the treatment course for the result you want to achieve. In other words, you're actively involved in the planning of your own transplant. How the 3D consultation works. The process is very simple. When you arrive at the clinic, you see a photorealistic 3D model of your head on screen. And this is where things get interesting. Right there in front of you, your doctor can draw different hairline designs, map your donor area, estimate available grafts, and compare different graft scenarios. For example, what happens if we use 2,500 grafts? What if we increase it to 3,500 grafts? You can actually see the difference in coverage and density. Why this matters? This changes something very important. Hair transplant planning becomes absolutely transparent. You're not relying on vague promises, rough drawings, or someone else's results. Instead, you're looking at your own face, your own hairline, and your own treatment plan. So you're not making a decision based on assumptions. You're making a decision based on plan created specifically for you. What you receive after the consultation is that you leave with a complete personalized plan. This includes your hairline design, donor area mapping, estimated graft count, and the treatment roadmap for your transplant. And of course, at Berkowits, this is just step 0. With our MaxGrow FUE Plus protocol, we focus on giving you a safe, comfortable, and painless experience. And we back it with a 1-year written guarantee of results. Hair transplant is not a small decision, and we believe that before you decide anything, you deserve to see the plan clearly and discuss it with your doctor. That is exactly what our 3D hair transplant consultation is designed for. If you're considering a transplant, you can visit your nearest Berkowits Hair and Skin Clinic. Let's plan your hair restoration journey with clarity, precision, and complete transparency. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful.